If you're choosing between the Garmin Edge Explore 2 and the Garmin Edge 1040, this isn't just bike GPS versus bike GPS. It's navigation and simplicity versus performance and training. So, which cycling computer is actually better? Let's break it down. Garmin Edge Explore 2 is designed for recreational cyclists, commuters, and bike tourers. It focuses on navigation, route planning, safety features, and ease of use. You get Garmin's excellent maps, turn-by-turn navigation, and a large, easy-to-read screen without paying for advanced training features. But here's the catch. It lacks many of Garmin's high-end performance metrics and training tools. Garmin Edge 1040 takes the opposite approach. It's Garmin's flagship cycling computer, packed with training analytics, stamina tracking, power-based coaching, multi-band GPS, and advanced performance insights. For serious cyclists and racers, it offers some of the most comprehensive training features available on any bike computer. The downside is price. It costs significantly more than the Explore 2, and many casual riders will never use most of its advanced features. So the real difference is this. The Edge Explore 2 helps you find your way, while the Edge 1040 helps you ride faster and train smarter. So, which bike GPS is better? Choose the Garmin Edge Explore 2 if you want excellent navigation, ease of use, and great value. Choose the Garmin Edge 1040 if you want elite training tools, advanced metrics, and the best overall cycling computer Garmin makes. Bottom line, for most cyclists, the Edge Explore 2 is a smarter buy because it delivers nearly all of Garmin's navigation features at a much lower price. But if you're training with power, racing regularly, or obsessed with performance data, the Edge 1040 is clearly the more capable bike computer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.